On August 16, Geely Geometry's pure electric car, the Geometry E Firefly, was officially launched. A total of 3 models were launched, with a price range of 69,800 to 89,800 yuan. Offering 2 versions with 301 km and 401 km pure electric mileage, the car is equipped with gears, dual screens, electric sunroofs and other configurations to ensure a comfortable driving experience. In terms of appearance, Geometry E Firefly continues to update based on Geometry E's overall shape design. It offers 3 exterior colors, jasmine white, mint green and cherry blossom pink, and the LED light source headlights are equipped with a penetrating LED contour. Lights and headlights. The group can also display various light language effects. The body adopts the intermittent shoulder lines, and the slightly raised window lines create a certain sense of movement. In terms of size, Geometry E Firefly's length, width and height are 4006/1765/1550 mm, and its wheelbase is 2485 mm, respectively. It is equipped with 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels as standard, and its size is 2006/1765/1550 mm, same as the old model. In terms of interior, the Geometry E Firefly upgrade is equipped with a gearshift mechanism that frees up storage space in the armrest. The car provides dual 10.25-inch screens and adopts the popular, non-inductive, starting system, which does not need to operate the starter key and simplifies the starting and starting steps. The main driving position is equipped with a 6-way adjustment function that can adapt to the driving position of different people as standard, and the vehicle has rear-view mirror heating and rear demi-sting functions as standard. In addition, the vehicle also has functions and configurations such as Bluetooth switch, parking comfort mode, lock and close, electric sunroof, artificial leather seats, antibacterial multifunction steering wheel, CN95 level air conditioning filter element plus fresh air system. In terms of safety and assisted driving, the vehicle has been added to the L2 driving aid system, including a real-time tire pressure monitoring system, ACC adaptive battery life, AEB automatic emergency braking, LDW lane departure warning and IHBC intelligent high beam control. Geometry E Firefly's second row of seats can provide 3 seating positions, trunk width 1765 mm, rear passenger space 1380 mm, rear seats foldable and luggage space expandable from 356 to -1000 liters. In terms of power, the Geometry E Firefly is equipped with lithium iron phosphate batteries with 2 capacities, 29.67 kWh and 39.3 kWh, and a liquid-cooled 3-in-1 electric propulsion system. 60 kilowatts and maximum torque of 130 Nm. The overall efficiency of the electric drive system exceeds 87%. The vehicle's CLTC cruising range is 301 km and 401 km, respectively. In addition, Geometry E Firefly also supports DC fast charging with a maximum power of 52 kilowatts, and SoC 30% to 80% charge time is less than 30 minutes. The vehicle is also equipped with a standard 6.6 kilowatts charger for all series and supports a maximum external discharge function of 3.3 kilowatts.